So first thing first, you have to sign in or sign up on YouTube TV under tv.youtube.com. And after you log in, on the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click right here on the store icon. And then you want to click on all to see all the networks. And then you want to search for network name GMA Pinoy. Right here on GMA Pinoy, you want to click on it. And then you want to add GMA Pinoy to your YouTube TV membership by paying for $15 per month, and you can get 7-day free trial. After that, you want to click on next to complete your purchase with PayPal, credit, or debit card. And then after that, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, and then you want to click on the search icon. And then you want to search for GMA. And here on GMA Pinoy, without TV, you want to click on it. And then you may scroll down and see any live session from GMA Pinoy TV, live session from GMA Live TV, and also the live session from GMA News TV. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.